Hey everybody, this is Sonia with Trains with Pathway to Joy. Today I'm here with my dad in Lula, Georgia.
Wayne, and I'm glad to be with you today, Sonia.
Glad to be with you, Dad. We just caught a Norfolk Southern and it went under the historic bridge here in Lula. And I had to run up the hill and across the bridge to catch it. And I'm totally out of breath, but what a nice video. Hope you'll enjoy it.
Oh, y'all love to see that train out there. A lot of people come up here and love to see that. But I'm up here all the time, so it don't any lose back. Where y'all from?
We live in Florida. Love to come up here and see the trains. How often do they run through here?
Some days they run several, and then other days might not be one or two.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it run pretty heavy right here.
So you come up and visit this old historic bridge very often?
Oh, I live up here.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, I've seen it for 40-some years. It ain't enthused by as much by me, but
Yeah,
but there's a lot of people come up here to look at it.
it's a
It's a
beautiful.
cute little town.
It is.
Y'all
Yeah.
see the depot down there?
Yeah, we have. And have you been under that?
Oak tree?
Is that what that is?
Yeah, big old oak tree. Yeah,
Okay.
It's kind of like a monument too here. Everybody likes to stop and look at it too.
All right.
It's huge.
Well, what's your name?
My name's Tony.
All right, Tony. I'm Sonia.
Nice to meet you.
We're with Trains with Pathway to Joy.
Yeah.
All right.
I enjoy Florida probably as much as y'all enjoy it up here.
Yeah, it's
Y'all just
beautiful place.
yeah.
Well, nice to meet you, and
Nice to
thanks
meet you,
again.
You have a good day.
You too.
Hey, that was really nice of Tony to give us a quick interview. We're now headed over the bridge. Come along with us.
If you've followed our videos for very long at all, you know that we love to come up to Lula, Georgia. We caught a couple of Norfolk Southern engines on a previous trip, and here they are. We've got the railroad track right over here to the right. We're just above Lula, Georgia, headed toward Alto, Georgia. Got this beautiful sign here next to the church, and the railroad track right across over here.
think about doing all the different things that are hanging up the sides. You want to go down this way?